Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 4 different ways to locate the calendar application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application calendar, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. If we have the calendar application within the dock, which we do, we can click on this. That's the first way to access calendar via the dock. Let's quit calendar. Let's now go all the way onto the dock again. Go to Launchpad. Now search for the calendar application. Enter to open up the calendar application. That's number 2. We can now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Finder. Go to Applications. Now let's change the view to Icons. And now let's search for calendar, and there we go. So that's number 3. Let's quit Finder, Command and W. Now let's go to a Spotlight search, Command and space, calendar application. Enter to open up the application for calendar. So that's number 4. We can now quit calendar. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.